Sam's riding the organic wave. He eats organic and lives green. He's been looking for ways to go organic and green with hygiene too. Arrgh! What should he do? Sam should go with Kolan. Kolan's range of cleaning products are plant-based solutions without chemicals that clean, shine, disinfect, and kill practically all harmful germs, leaving behind a sparkling clean, chemical-free surface. Kolan offers organic cleaning solution for floors, bathrooms, kitchen, toilet bowl, glass, leather, upholstery, and general household needs. Great! But what's their secret to chemical-free cleaning? It's the unique plant-based multi-enzyme formula from New Zealand, gifted by nature herself. Oh, that's perfect! Sam's beyond amazed. Sam gets rid of harmful caustic chemicals, 24/7 protection against all germs, enjoys the natural fragrance, and safely disposes the products to stay environmentally positive. Sam has switched to green and chemical-free hygiene with Kolan. You should too.